What's up, guys?
Baba and K&J clan. Alright. Okay, and take me out from work and give me other work and she not pay me, you know?
Hey, one thing I know so I can say is that Junior say anytime I do anything with wedding, get some of the money. We can play about the videos then and hear him say it. So today I have a wedding to set up for the teal and royal bloom. Put a picture, I'm gonna say the bouquet for the bride here. So I set up one thing, I kinda late, so I couldn't get in a taxi. So
yeah, taxi service them so nice and easy.
yeah man,
Traveler on a dead food.
yeah man, I call Traveler and they put me on hold. I tell you so from over town center till I reach back over my yard. They on hold with Traveler and them don't even I hang up the phone and them wouldn't even call back. I call nice and easy and the person, the driver that came here, he was so unprofessional and disrespectful. I mean that because
nice
that's whenever I used to go on. So which one?
It's on time.
On time. He
Them
was on
don't
time
have
but them not have no
no-
customer service.
You are poor customer. The man grumpy like a Grinch.
At right time feet now when I Christmas. So I go and do what I have to do, go and look set up them and thing and me go and I'm gonna see what go on and I'm gonna finish my show and the finish work. So yes, me here in a church, you know. Just go and do one and two little thing. Simple decoration one, so I don't know nothing fussy, something very, very, very simple. So may I get started. I'm know and yourself like any people them start coming and waiting to set up it.
Yeah guys, so I don't know. I want to check out the features, you see me? So, yeah people, watch you go on. Okay, and just freestyle all the way. She don't have no ideas in her head how to do it. She just go along. She just, what you say now?
Freestyle is just like
Oh.
my arms.
Who for hand fit now?
Man.
Sorry for the breaking footage, guys. Bride call a while ago. What do man? Isn't that people in church? I'm gonna go wine. Yeah, people. So, the breeze will give you a warm time, brother. I tell you, breeze will blow like up on the seaside today. So, it not finished yet. The arch not finished yet. But that's part of what we are doing. You see me? Okay, and have some little fandangles thing going on there, so. Go on there, so. Hey!
Hey. About 3 years now since I have this. I did this with my first get this. I get with the teal with my first wedding I ever did. I remember Junior when we did it for the girl. My husband. My first wedding. And I think it was my second set of bouquet that I ever make separate from my wedding.
So she that way after so how you to find it?
This?
Or you use it and then with it
Yeah,
you can reusable, right? Oh yeah, you reusable. Yeah. Yeah, bride can. Hey! Hey! Why? Lord! Yeah, people, she couldn't get free. She did the aisle runner. Because the breeze are going away, boy. I tell you, the breeze strong. Let me show you how I go. Look. Yeah, the breeze nice, but it's strong. It'll blow the aisle runner, so it didn't make sense. Look on this. You see that? Yeah, no fan, no turn on. See the doorway there? So you know it to the carnage that going on with the aisle runner. Maybe we would have to find it over track. You see it, so. Here we go. We hold a seat up there, so. Yeah. Up top.
Yeah. I intrude for the people I'm with. She will live so near and thing when I don't want to leave and then I have to come back. By the time I leave to come back, when I go over, so I just hide out. I'm not normally here, but I go and jump. Yes, guys, you know them Carly? Them Carly, Junior? Them Carly. You know them Carly? Waiting to crash on them Carly. We're ready to crash this party.
Yeah, well, crash the wedding. Anyone who sees it, whatever, wake up.
Anyone who thinks that these two should not be joined, speak nowhere forever. Hold your peace. As I say, guys, it's not a habit for me normally there. I'm normally gone. By the time them come, I'm gone. And by the time them think they done and ready gone for gonna take picture, I'm not normally here. So
Something new.
Nothing go.
Something different for me.
Yeah.
And something you couldn't experience. So, you see? So family thing go.
Mr. Guys, the arch down there, they have one piece of rocking. Might have got her volume on this car. I talk loud enough, I don't want to talk too loud.
Yeah, through in a place and the sanctuary, place of worship, so we have to keep it on a level.
Yeah.
You know, so, it's time to get up.
Yeah, so the Bumbrook school can't go up here, isn't it? But we can't go tell nobody to go leak out the mother curry pot and the whole works. So, me go and go to 1 and 2 snaps of people in wedding. Nothing to, because on my wedding, and I'm not the videographer, so I don't want to up here wedding and feel a wedding, a record and feel one shoes come with me. Why are you looking at me like that?
Oh.
You know, say you are about family, the foolishness starting. You are about family, can be foolish like that.
You are that. Out of all the sensible things where you can take from me, the foolishness you take.
I take
Shame on you.
I take other things too. Sure. So guys, we touch back base again, I don't know. When the bride are coming, I'm going to little snippet her head back and thing, and you know when she reach up this and thing, going a little snippet come on to see my bouquet in action. So I'm going to go to there and bait things. Yeah. I always get pictures. I've never been at the location before. When a bride comes, I've never really see her with her bouquet or anything like that. So it's going to be a first for me. And we don't know thing go. So we touch base, we don't know again. It's safe.
Don't know.
I can't wait for my wedding day. It's windy. Christ, why you try to climb me? The wicked man. What a wicked man. Step down and ring my foot.
Answer?
Never answer at all. So yes guys, this is the groom. And him like a bit. Ready for your big day? Yes. Alright. See my outfit and points. And points.
pledge their vows to each other, and I declare the same by giving and receiving of grace. I, as a marriage officer and a minister of the gospel, do now declare that they are husband and wife.
So yes guys, I just reaching back, put up the stuff them where we used to the wedding, and about to go look something to eat. When no cook, when no cook, can I get some? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I don't know what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I don't know what Junior gonna cook. Junior, what's for dinner?
Ear pie and nothing chops.
That can't eat. So in there I watch football. I watch him team lose as usual. Nothing different no go on but them lose.
Through thick and thin, we are support.
What?
Win, lose, or draw. Very information day one.
Them win?
Yes.
Oh, it's a change. So I'm gonna end the video here. Oh God, I'm tired. Tired. But guys, just remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share up the video. Remember to share up the video. Share. Share with everybody. Share it with your friend them, your family. As me always say, share it with your dog, with your puss, with everybody, everything. Share it with the tree them.
What?
Just share up the video them and see it. Share up the video them. And as me and Junior always say guys, just remember, stay safe. See you next time.